Hello everybody, going to revisit this GPX alarm clock I got out of the storage building a while back. As you recall, it's a D505. So I'm going to take it apart and see if I can get it working a little better. It's got loose bits in it, so it's quality. See what happens. Well, I've opened it up and a lot of broken plastic pieces fell out. So there's that. So I have to figure out where all those go. But it actually has a transformer. How about that? Got an obviously bad capacitor right there. So I'll see what I can do with it, maybe. So I got it working. Dirty controls.
At LASIK Plus. In LASIK procedures nationwide and have more 5-star reviews than anyone else. I'm happy with LoveStories.com. Hey guys.
So I have the first capacitor ready to solder in. One capacitor. This is just quality craftsmanship here on this circuit board, that's for sure. Why am I recapping a GPX? GPX. There it goes. Just had to give it the old GPX chant and it worked perfect. Solder that in. Probably use more solder than the whole radio's worth right here. But it does have new fresh capacitors in it. Surprisingly, the solder looks pretty good on that switch that had the flaky connection. Let's try it.
True and good for you.
Seems to still work. Well, the radio function works better. This thing's still a piece of junk. But, yeah, it won't even turn off. So that's awesome. But I do have a 9-volt battery connector I can use for something else that needs to be repaired. So that's my repair attempt for the old GPX. Kind of works better in some ways and not in others. Thank you for watching.